what I would do is sit down and think, okay, well, what is life going to throw at me over the next couple of years that might cause me issues with my daily trading process? What plans could I put in place, or what decisions could I make in advance to address that so they're not a problem? Remember, you've got a little bit of flexibility. You've got a bit, apart from crypto, which I'll talk about in a second. With stocks, you can do your stock work in the evening or in the morning. You can download your data and do your analysis separately. You know, I downloaded my data and then did my analysis on the bus and then placed my trades when I first sat down at my desk at the office for a long time. I also did my analysis at night and placed the orders at night. And then at other times I did it in the morning and placed my orders in the morning. Find a routine that will allow you to navigate the different things that will come up. Okay, so I don't know what your life is like, but you could imagine what it is like. So between the two of you, think about, okay, what about this scenario? What about that scenario? What about, like, how are we going to run it? And that scenario planning will really help.